Vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients required by the body to carry out a range of normal functions. These are not produced in our bodies. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances. Two types of vitamins. Fat-soluble, water-soluble. Fat-soluble, vitamin A, D, E, K. Water-soluble, vitamin C, B-complex, folate. Water-soluble vitamins can be lost through urine if they are unused by the body. On the hand, minerals are inorganic elements present in soil and water. Calcium, sodium, and potassium and trace minerals like copper, iodine, and zinc are needed in very small amounts. In this video, let's look at 10 vitamins that you should be concerned about taking. These vitamins can be found in vegetables and fruits. But wrong methods of food preparation may destroy these volatile nutrients easily. Some of you may need additional vitamin supplements according to your diet, exercise, practices, and overall health. You should also be aware that vitamins should be taken only to replenish the demand of the body. Overdosing of vitamins, especially fat-soluble vitamins, can be toxic. Let's concentrate on these vitamins and minerals in this video. Vitamin A. B vitamins. Folic acid. Vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin E. Vitamin K. Calcium. Iodine. Iron. Zinc. Vitamin A retinol. Function. Helping your body's natural defense against illness and infection, the immune system, work properly. Helping vision in dim light. Keeping skin and the lining of some parts of the body, such as the nose, healthy. Sources: cheese, eggs, oily fish, fortified low-fat spreads, milk and yogurt, liver and liver products. Sources of beta-carotene: yellow, red, and green, leafy vegetables such as spinach, carrots, sweet potatoes, and red peppers. Yellow fruit such as mango, papaya, and apricots. How much do you need daily? 700 micrograms for men. 600 micrograms for women. Taking over 1.5 milligrams of vitamin A increases the risk of getting osteoporosis. Over years it affects your bones, making them more likely to fracture. If you are pregnant, avoid getting vitamin supplements, and do not eat liver or liver products. Vitamin B and folic acid. Vitamin B is a complex of vitamins that consists of thiamine vitamin B1, riboflavin vitamin B2, niacin vitamin B3, pantothenic acid vitamin B5, pyridoxine vitamin B6, biotin vitamin B7, folate and folic acid vitamin B9, Cyanocobalamin vitamin B12, thiamine vitamin B1. Functions: the body breaks down and releases energy from food. Keep the nervous system healthy. Sources: peas, some fresh fruits such as bananas and oranges, nuts, liver, whole grain bread, some fortified breakfast cereals. How much do you need daily? 1 milligram a day for men, 0.8 milligrams a day for women. Riboflavin B2 keeps skin, eyes, and the nervous system healthy. The body release energy from food. Sources: milk, eggs, fortified breakfast cereals, mushrooms, plain yogurt. How much do you need daily? 1.3 milligrams a day for men, 1.1 milligrams a day for women. Niacin B3. The body release energy from food. Keep the nervous system and skin healthy. Sources: meat, fish, wheat flour, eggs. How much do you need daily? 16.5 milligrams a day for men, 13.2 milligrams a day for women. Pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid has several functions, such as helping the body release energy from food. Sources: chicken, beef, liver and kidneys, eggs, mushrooms, avocado, Pyridoxine vitamin B6. The body to use and store energy from protein and carbohydrates in food. The body form hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen around the body. Sources: pork, poultry, such as chicken or turkey, some fish, peanuts, soya beans, wheat germ, oats, bananas, milk, some fortified breakfast cereals. How much do you need daily? 1.4 milligrams a day for men, 1.2 milligrams a day for women. Biotin vitamin B7. Biotin is needed in very small amounts to help the body make fatty acids. The bacteria that live naturally in your bowel can make biotin, so it's not clear if you need any additional biotin from the diet. Biotin is also found in a wide range of foods, but only at very low levels. Folate and folic acid vitamin B9. The body forms healthy red blood cells. Reduce the risk of birth defects called neural tube defects, such as spina bifida, in unborn babies. A lack of folate could lead to folate deficiency anemia. Sources: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy green vegetables such as cabbage, kale, spring greens, and spinach, peas, chickpeas and kidney beans, liver, but avoid this during pregnancy. Breakfast cereals fortified with folic acid. How much do you need daily? Adults need 200 micrograms of folate a day. There are no long-term stores in the body, so you need to eat folate-containing foods frequently. Most people should be able to get the amount of folate they need by eating a varied and balanced diet. If you're pregnant, trying for a baby, or could get pregnant, it's recommended that you take a 400 microgram folic acid supplement daily until you're 12 weeks pregnant. Folic acid supplements need to be taken before you get pregnant, so start taking them before you stop using contraception or if there's a chance you might get pregnant. This is to help prevent neural tube defects, such as spina bifida, in your baby. Some women have an increased risk of having a pregnancy affected by a neural tube defect and are advised to take a higher dose of 5 milligrams of folic acid each day until they're 12 weeks pregnant. Taking doses of folic acid higher than 1 milligram can mask the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, which can eventually damage the nervous system if it's not spotted and treated. This is particularly a concern for older people because it becomes more difficult to absorb vitamin B12 as you get older. Cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is involved in helping the body make red blood cells and keep the nervous system healthy. Release energy from food. Use folate. A lack of vitamin B12 could lead to vitamin B12 deficiency anemia. Sources: meat, fish, milk, cheese, eggs, some fortified breakfast cereals. How much do you need daily? Adults, aged 19 to 64, need about 1.5 micrograms a day of vitamin B12. If you eat meat, fish, or dairy foods, you should be able to get enough vitamin B12 from your diet. But as vitamin B12 is not found naturally in foods such as fruit, vegetables, and grains, vegans may not get enough of it. Vitamin C, helping to protect cells and keeping them healthy, maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, bones, and cartilage, helping with wound healing. Lack of vitamin C can lead to scurvy. Sources: citrus fruit, such as oranges and orange juice, peppers, strawberries, blackcurrants, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, potatoes. How much do you need daily? Adults aged 19 to 64 need 40 milligrams of vitamin C a day. Taking more than 1,000 milligrams per day of vitamin C can cause stomach pain, diarrhea, flatulence. Vitamin D, keep muscles and bones and teeth healthy. Vit D deficiency leads to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Sources: oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel. Red meat, liver, egg yolks. Fortified foods, such as some fat spreads and breakfast cereals. How much do you need daily? Children from the age of 1 year and adults need 10 micrograms of vitamin D a day. Babies up to the age of 1 year need 8.5 to 10 micrograms of vitamin D a day. Taking too many vitamin D supplements over a long period can cause too much calcium to build up in the body, hypercalcemia. This can weaken the bones and damage the kidneys and the heart. Vitamin E. Vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin and eyes and strengthens the body's natural defense against illness and infection, the immune system. Sources: plant oils such as rapeseed, vegetable oil, sunflower, soya, corn, and olive oil. Nuts and seeds. Wheat germ, found in cereals and cereal products. How much do you need daily? 4 milligrams a day for men, 3 milligrams a day for women. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a group of vitamins that the body needs for blood clotting, helping wounds heal. Sources: green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach. Vegetable oils. Cereal grains. How much do you need daily? Adults need approximately 1 microgram a day of vitamin K for each kilogram of their body weight. Vitamin K is stored in the liver, so you don't need to take vitamin K daily. Let's jump into minerals. Calcium. Functions: helping build bones and keep teeth healthy. Regulating muscle contractions, including your heartbeat. Making sure blood clots normally. A lack of calcium could lead to a condition called rickets in children and osteomalacia or osteoporosis in later life. Sources: milk, cheese, and other dairy foods. Green leafy vegetables such as curly kale, okra, but not spinach. Spinach does contain high levels of calcium, but the body cannot digest it all. Soya drinks with added calcium. Bread and anything made with fortified flour. Fish where you eat the bones, such as sardines and pilchards. How much do you need daily? Adults aged 19 to 64 need 700 milligrams of calcium a day. Taking high doses of calcium, more than 1,500 milligrams a day, could lead to stomach pain and diarrhea. Iodine. Iodine helps make thyroid hormones, which help keep cells and the metabolic rate, the speed at which chemical reactions take place in the body, healthy. Sources: cow's milk and dairy products. Eggs. Sea fish. Shellfish. How much do you need daily? Adults need 140 micrograms (mg) of iodine a day. Iron. Iron is important in making red blood cells, which carry oxygen around the body. Sources: liver, but avoid this during pregnancy. Red meat. Beans, such as red kidney beans, edamame beans, and chickpeas. Nuts. Dried fruit, such as dried apricots. Fortified breakfast cereals. Soybean flour. How much do you need daily? 8.7 milligrams a day for men over 18. 14.8 milligrams a day for women aged 19 to 50. 8.7 milligrams a day for women over 50. When you overtake the iron, constipation. Feeling sick. Being sick. Stomach pain. Zinc. Reduces the risk of cancer. Improves the immune system. Improves memory. Reduces common cold symptoms. Sources: red meat and poultry are good sources of zinc, as are beans, nuts, and whole grains. How much do you need daily? Men are 11 milligrams and 8 milligrams for women. Thank you for watching. If you want to know what happened when these vitamins and minerals deficient, stay with us. Subscribe our channel.